What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mixietronics. I'm Mixie, and today we have a PopCultcha unboxing. And sorry about the video quality, guys. It looks like I just updated my Galaxy S9, and I just noticed that they took away the Pro mode from the settings. So I guess the video quality may not be as good until they fix that update. So it is what it is. So let's go ahead and open this up. At least this will make me a little happy after I just found out that update will pretty much not let me do my videos the way I want, which really sucks. So let's go ahead and get this open. I found a lot of really good pieces that I wanted to get. I mean, it sucks that they do have restriction, I guess because Funko Pop doesn't want them selling like some of the exclusives to the US, but I still managed to find a lot of well, not a lot, I found a few good ones that I really wanted. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, cool. Let me go ahead and get all this paper out. You guys can probably tell from the top and the back what it is already. So alright, so let's go ahead and get these out. So with the Godzilla movie, I was excited to actually find this pop because I love Godzilla, and I wanted the original pop that came out, I don't know, it's like a few years ago, like 3-4 years ago, something like that. I don't even remember, but I got two of them because I'm going to customize one of them. And like, I think this was like 20 bucks or something, but in the US people are selling them for like 40, so that was like a really good deal. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And is this like the 6-inch size? It's so cute, but man, I really hate like the gum line. It looks like he's wearing lipstick. Looks crazy, but it's cool. I'm gonna go ahead, well, at least my second one, I'm gonna customize it. It looks really good though. Alright, here's the back, here's the side. Yeah, that's gonna look really good. That's really cute. That's why I got a second one, because I love the way that he looks. He actually like doesn't look scary. He looks like really cute. So anyway, yeah. Alright, so here's the second one. Perfect. The box looks great. So I'm glad it's coming all the way from Australia so to the US, so it came in perfect condition. Alright, next up I have, yeah, this looks really cool. The Eric Killmonger, the glow in the dark pop. This is also kind of hard to find in the US, so I'm really glad I found this one, and looks really good. Alright, cool. Let's see, I also got the blue one, so for the Black Panther one. Alright, so, well, it's just popped. At least the box isn't damaged, so that's good. Looks great. It's the side, the back. So I'm glad I was able to find both of the glow in the dark, and these were each like, you know, like 13 bucks or something like that. So it's like a really good deal, especially because they're so hard to find here. So awesome. And the last one is the Okoye. Out of like the whole Black Panther line, Okoye is probably the, well, it's not probably, it's like the best one. That's like, everybody loves this one's like the hardest to find, besides the venomized Black Panther, which of course they have restricted. I wanted to get that one. You know how bad it sucks? It's like you see it for sale for like 40, 50 people. I even seen it for like $70 for the venomized Black Panther, and they have it there for like 13 bucks. I'm like, it makes me so upset. I wish I could get it, but I'm so happy. I wish I would have gotten two of the Okoye, because this one is selling for like 40 bucks in the US too, but the box is in great condition as well. All of the boxes were perfect, so yeah. This looks really, really good. Her outfit is awesome. I'm just trying to finish my the Black Panther line so I can have all of them. So yeah, definitely check out and look for Okoye if it's hard for you to find in your area or online at a decent price, because she was like 13 bucks too. So overall, this is my quick haul. Hold on, let me put this to the side. Alright, so if you are a Godzilla fan, especially with the Godzilla movie coming out soon, make sure that you can check out PopCultcha and you can pick up the 6-inch Godzilla, since it is harder to find now. So anyway guys, just wanted to show you my quick haul that I got, that you can still find some kind of hard to find items over there that are not restricted, and it will ship to the US. So anyway guys, thank you for taking the time to check out my quick haul, and make sure to subscribe if you like my content. Leave me a comment and let me know which one is your favorite, and thumbs up the video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye bye, see you guys later.